Hey guys, this is Swayam and I welcome you to Fusion Cuisine. This time I'll show you how to make this amazing cheesy garlic bread which is so easy to make and perfect for any get-togethers. Let's take a quick look at the recipe. To start, in a blender add green chillies, garlic, coriander leaves, olive oil to give a good texture, followed by a little salt and black pepper. Give it a whisk. Transfer this into a bowl, and this is exactly how we need it. Now I'm using here a loaf of olive and chilli bread. Cut this into 2 halves. Meanwhile, ensure the oven is preheated at 180 degrees centigrade for about 15 to 20 minutes. Smear this mixture on both sides of the bread. Once that is done, place one side on top of the bread and wrap it in aluminium foil, and let's bake it for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's unwrap the bread and then generously sprinkle grated cheese on top. You can actually add any kind of cheese on both sides of the bread as per your choice. Now sprinkle Italian seasoning on top and we are done. It's that easy. Return to the oven for 10 to 15 minutes till the cheese is all melted and you see the top is golden brown and bubbly. As you can see, it has got the beautiful crust outside and it smells all garlicky and cheesy. Slice it and serve it right away. Enjoy the hot cheesy garlic bread and let me know how this turns out for you in the comment section below. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. Until then, bye-bye.